Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record a bill in Zoho Books. Whether you're brand new to Zoho Books or you've been using it for a while, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and clear. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. On the homepage, click the sign in button, then enter your login details to access your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. Now, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. Here you'll find an option labeled Purchases. Click on it, and then select Bills. This is the section where all your current and past bills are stored and managed. To create a new bill, click on the Create a Bill button, usually located at the top right of the page. This will open up a new bill entry form. On this form, start by entering the key details of your bill. Begin with the vendor's name. Either select one from your list or add a new vendor. Next, fill in the bill number, bill date, due date, the total amount. These details are very important for keeping your records accurate and making sure you stay on top of payments. Once you've entered everything, take a moment to carefully review all the information. Even a small mistake in numbers or dates can cause problems in your reports later. Double check that all the fields are correct before saving. After reviewing, go ahead and click Save. Your bill is now successfully recorded in Zoho Books. Now, here's a quick tip to make your financial management even easier. From your dashboard, you'll see an option called Connect Bank/Credit Card. By linking your bank accounts or credit cards, Zoho Books can automatically sync transactions, which helps you reconcile bills and payments much faster. And that's all there is to it. Recording a bill in Zoho Books is straightforward, and with a bit of practice, it'll become second nature. By staying consistent, you'll always have clean, accurate financial records and a clear view of your business expenses. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Zoho Books guides and accounting tips.